In this video, I'm going to show you how I record vertical screen with VS Code. So this is the screen that I use when I'm recording shorts for YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to open another OBS, launch anyway. And the first step is go to File, Settings, Video, and you need to specify 1080 by 1920 for the base resolution. And you have to do the same for output resolution. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste it. So 1080 by 920. So this is the 9:16 ratio. So I'm going to click apply, okay. And now I can select one of my scenes and I'm going to select short videos. And I'm going to click add source, window capture, okay. And select Visual Studio Code, okay. And I can right click on the source, window capture, and I'm going to select transform and fit to screen. And now I see that this is the exact window showing in the canvas. So that's how I record vertical screen with VS Code. See you on the next one.